Introducing Deebot X1 Plus, the brand new multifunction Deebot from Ecovac. Okay, Eco, let's get to know my home.
Okay, I am coming. I am creating the map for your home now.
The Pioneer IV 3D, enhanced recognition capability, equipped with supercomputing power, achieving accurate obstacle avoidance at home.
Mapping is complete. Please check the app. I will keep learning and improving by updating obstacle avoidance data. More efficient every time.
Okay, Eco, follow my voice.
No problem. I will start cleaning now.
The exclusive 4-stage deep cleaning system with 5,000 paw suction power. The third generation of Osmo Pro technology. Scrub away multiple stubborn stains efficiently. Unleash the ultimate cleaning power. The innovative air freshener continuously refreshes your home environment. The brand new empty station. Liberate your hands up to 60 days. Tomorrow's robots today. Deebot X1 Plus. Ecovac's brand new multifunction Deebot.